These are not frying demos. This is a showcase of our heavy-capacity continuous automatic fryer equipment. Even with different products and different conditions, it can still deliver stable, consistent results. In mass production, the hardest part is never getting it cooked. It is making every batch the same color, texture, expansion, and capacity. At TSHS, we do continuous frying and complete line planning, not just delivering a single machine. What we care about is whether your line can run smoothly, run steadily, and stay easy to maintain and manage. Our heavy-capacity continuous automatic fryer uses stainless steel food contact surfaces, designed for both hygiene and durability. In production, what matters most is cleaning and maintenance efficiency. With a hood and lift-up design, cleaning becomes easier and more efficient. You can also choose an optional CIP auto-cleaning system to keep the cleaning process more consistent. The equipment can run as a standalone unit, and it can also be integrated into a complete production line as needed. From feeding, frying, and discharge, to de-oiling, cooling, seasoning, and conveying, we connect your target capacity and consistent product quality into one smooth workflow. After acceptance is completed, we move into shipment preparation. Protective packing, parts checking, and documentation, then crating to secure the machine and ensure safe transport. Finally, we load the container, secure it, seal it, and ship, delivering the equipment to production sites around the world. If you are planning a high-capacity frying line, or want your current production to be more stable and consistent, please contact TSHS. With reliable continuous frying equipment and a complete delivery process, we help you bring stable, consistent products to the market.